Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a unique offering from Neewer. This is their 18mm 2x macro probe lens. Now this one has the 17mm thread, so you will need a specific type of case in order to mount this on your phone. You will be able to use this with a variety of different phones, including iPhones and Android devices. As you guys can see, it comes in this really nice case. It is a hard case. The case does have little plastic feet underneath it, and they go out of their way to make sure that it stays protected. Inside of the case, some of the things you're going to be greeted with first and foremost is going to be this USB-C to USB-A cable that you'll need to charge the light feature of the lens. It also arrives with a bracket. Now this bracket you will use to, or this collar bracket style accessory you will use to mount this on a tripod or monopod or a slider. So this is really nice, all metal construction. You have a 1/4 underneath here for mounting it. So it also has rails on the side. So if you have one of the specific type of tripods that utilizes that footprint, you'll be able to just drop this right in and you'll be good to go. All right, so here is the lens itself. Let's take a quick look at that. So here is our probe lens, guys. As you guys can see here, it is all metal. It does have a focus ring. You have a end cap and you have a lens cap on this guy as well. Now on the front of the lens, you do have integrated lights. This is a probe lens, so it's designed to go into places where normal lenses can't go. You do have that light feature where you can turn it on. So you have two different modes of light. You have a high, a low, and off. Your USB is right here for charging it. Your focus ring feels really nice in the hand, and it does have an actual stop. So it's a point where it does stop. I like that. So it does not just travel non-stop. Yeah, guys, this is a beautiful, beautiful lens. So if you're into macro photography, product photography, where you really need to show the details, the very small, unique details of a product, this lens is going to be a great asset to you. And it is waterproof up to this point that you guys see right here. So you can submerge this into water. This is going to be an outstanding tool for your content creation. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to show you guys this little probe lens, and hopefully this video will inspire some of you to try macro photography as well as macro video. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.